You are watching BNS News.
Welcome to today's crypto news. Let's see the today's headline first. Bank of Russia dismisses US assets confiscations effects on Russia's economic stability. Hong Kong's crypto ETF signal gateway for Chinese investors. Citi Brazil is on the top of digital money initiatives in Latin. Ripple expands its presence in Japan with latest partnership. Vietnam's academy to train 1 million residents on blockchain and AI. Web3 gaming startup GFAL raises $3.2 million in funding round led by Supercells and Mitch Lasky. Google Labs and Moonbirds introduce enhanced NFT holder rights. Eigen Layers airdrop faces backlash over token restrictions and minimal allocations. Samurai Wallet co-founders Keone Rodriguez pleads not guilty released on $1 million bail. MicroStrategy invests $7.8 million in Bitcoin despite $53.1 million Q1 loss. Crypto funds extend outflow streak for third week with $435 million. Girosol launches as ERC20 on Arbitrums through wormholes interoperability. The Bank of Russia has dismissed the effect that a future confiscations of Russian assets in the US might have on the nation's economic stability. Elvira Nebulana, a governor of the bank, stated that Russia has been diversifying its asset portfolio for many years and that assets to be seized weren't in use anymore. China's asset management company CEO Yimi Li views the recent launch of spot bitcoins and Ether exchange-traded funds in Hong Kong as a pivotal moment for China's investors seeking diversified investment options. Despite the strict ban on crypto trading in mainland China, introductions of these ETFs offer RMB holders a compelling opportunity to explore alternative investments. A recent report by Citi, a global financial institution, has put Brazil as the top of the nations leading the digital money initiatives in Latin America. The report states that Brazil features a combination of factors that ease the adoptions of digital money such as government support and digital payment solution. San Francisco's based company Ripple has announced a tie-up with the Hashkey DX, a Tokyo-based specialized consulting company in blockchain technology. Keen to occupy leading positions in emerging technologies, civil societies in Vietnam have launched the Vietnam Academy of Blockchains and the AI innovations to quicken the pace of digitization. Web3 video game startup GFAL Games for a Living has raised $3.2 million in seed funding round led by the Finnish mobile game development companies Supercell Limited and Mitch Lasky, a general partner at the Silicon Valley Ventures capital firm Benchmark. UL Labs acquired Moonbirds in February, which has been a crucial period of transitions for both entities. As part of integrating Moonbirds into the portfolio, UL Labs has introduced commercial rights for the collections, similar to those enjoyed by the holders of Mythics. This move is seen as an effort to enhance the value provided to NFT owners. The announcement of Eigen Layers, the airdrop featuring non-transferable tokens and aggressive geo restrictions, has sparked outrage among users who felt the allocated amount was minimal and documentation confusing. That's all for today's crypto news. Stay tuned for more updates.